Okay, we're on a new secret
Yeah.
mission, guys. Come on, come on, Germany. Oh yeah, he's in the
What
restroom.
is that incredible and uh, inexpectable and beautiful shit?
Welcome,
Bienvenido.
everyone. You are probably wondering why I gathered you here, guys, to here today.
I'm not actually sure, buddy. Why
Airplane
you bring me here?
3! Oh my god, who left? Who left the call? Germany left the call.
Yeah,
I am the Robloxia State Army General.
of the
You can
United
call
States
me
of
General
America.
Poncho.
Poncho goes crazy.
From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order.
Alright.
Bro, imagine, reset, Germany left.
Oh my god.
Rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go, gotta follow my rainbow. Can't stick around, have to keep moving on. Guess what lies ahead? Only one way to find out.
Oh my god. This dude, we
As a
raffle,
child, I yearned for the mines.
but something always got in the way. Go on, get out.
Get out of here!
You're probably wondering why I gathered you guys here
You
today.
spider!
Airplane 3 again. Yeah, Airplane 3. Are you guys excited for Airplane 3?
Yeah. Buddy, so you are the one reading this shit. I'm not reading a shit.
I'm the
right now.
Robloxia Army General.
Nice.
You can call me Pancho. General Pancho.
General Poncho.
So
Alright,
from this
Pancho.
point on, everything I say should be taken as an order.
Alright.
Germany. Or else you'll be expelled from the team.
Alright.
Now, please take a seat. We already did.
Continue reading.
He's our target.
Bro, this is
His name is Ronald.
Ronald.
We have investigated, and all we know he is a dangerous Robloxian. Yo, it's Ronald Pump! Ronald Pump from the last one! What did he do? This is where we are heading.
Oh shit.
Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane.
Just like us to you.
Oh no! Everyone is in that plane must be in danger.
Real.
That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Our mission is to stop Ron.
Alright. Easy.
We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely.
Alright. Yes.
We will find Ronald and Tensions and bring him to justice.
Alright.
I can fix him,
Easy, good.
but how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me.
Follow this guy.
Germany's not moving.
Germany. Oh. There you go. Germany, are you not listening to the goddamn
Imagine,
call?
imagine, look at me,
What?
Look at me, I'm gonna do something.
Look at you.
Everyone ready?
Yes.
There's like a glitch where you can like stand on this and you can like, and you'll be like, there's like a thing.
You're on
There's like an edge.
I alone am the
Right there, right here. Look at me. Imagine, look at me.
Throughout heaven and earth, I alone am the honored one.
Guys, look at me. I'm on top. I'm all the way at the top. Look.
Goes
Throughout
crazy.
heaven and earth, I alone am the honored one.
I gotta get down.
Ryan,
Airplane
look at
3.
me.
I'm in top.
We're gonna
Ryan, look
get
at
some
me.
suits. Well, guys, you had to get some suits like on the sides. Over here. Welcome to the military cave.
So I guess I'm gonna be blue.
We gotta be blue.
Yeah.
What's this?
Hey, what are we doing?
Go for the blue one. Go for the blue one.
Come
Let's
on,
go for
guys.
the
We're blue.
one.
We're blue. Right here. Right here. The purple one
here.
costs
There
Robux.
you go.
If you guys die, I'll revive you. Just so you know.
What?
If you guys die, I'll revive you.
Alright.
Oh my!
Freaky bop!
Revive.
Germany!
I died.
I revived you.
On purpose.
Oh, I have my suit on.
Don't fall off there again.
Oh my god.
Imagine
I almost fell.
if you keep falling, you're gonna there will be no more funding for the Roblox videos.
No,
Roblox
I'm
doors.
Oh yeah, okay. Buddy, you need me 35 Robux.
Checking the plane.
What if I fall again?
Don't do it.
Buddy,
Please don't do it.
You know you're owning me 25 Robux, right?
Not enough fuel. Oh no! It looks like you don't have enough fuel.
Real? I didn't
We will
see
need
that
to fill the
whole
plane
goddamn
tank
bit.
completely before we can take off.
Yippee.
That is a fuel nozzle. There are 4 of them around the cave. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Connect these nozzles to the plane depending on its color.
Alright. Understand.
I'm gonna go with the yellow one.
Understood.
I will fill all the things once all the nozzles are in place. Let's go.
Suena mucho bien. Gracias, jefe.
De nada, jefe.
I like my cheese drippy, bro.
Shut up.
Wait,
I like my
Oh no!
cheese
Oh no!
drippy,
Oh no! Dang it!
Buddy, I cannot revive you. I don't have Robux.
I have Robux.
Pero mi Luisa de-
Revive Germany. Revive Germany. Don't be that bad.
Wait, Germany died?
Yeah.
Are you
Revive
actually
them.
serious?
I don't
Don't be so bad. Buddy, I cannot revive you. I don't have Robux.
I have Robux.
Don't be mean.
Where is he? Where the hell am I? Freaking God.
I think I died, guys.
We should head down now.
Yippee! We are the blue ones. Remember that. We are the blue ones.
Guys, I can't go through.
Right here.
is the
Right
fourth.
here.
Oh.
Dummy.
The blue one. The blue one. Use the blue one. Hell
Okay.
yeah.
Don't fall off.
Don't fall off.
Don't fall off thinking I'm not spending my Robux on you guys.
Okay. Okay, Josue, let's calm down. Let's
Remember
calm
that
down.
you still owning. Remember, you still owning me 25 Roblox, buddy.
Oh my.
How does Brian owe you 25 Robux?
I already spent 35 Robux on you.
You
Because you
never
fell off.
spent anything on me, buddy. What you mean?
When you died.
When?
I don't know, I think he died. Did he? Germany, did he die? Did he die once?
No, I don't think he died even once. I think I was the only one who died like 2 times.
You've died like 3 times.
Ah,
That's why I don't even die all this
I probably
time.
spent over 70 Robux on you, Germany.
I only died like 3 times. Bro.
Actually, if you
Maybe
kill him
like 80 now.
actually, if you kill him in total 70, in total you revive him 3 times, it will be like a 100 something Roblox.
No, my God.
Okay,
So you
Brian.
waste like 100 Roblox in this fool.
Hey, I'm not a fool. You're the fool.
No, you're the fool.
No.
Yo.
Ah.
Oh.
Don't fall off, guys.
Okay, guys, make sure to fall off. I'm just kidding.
Try your
Make
best
sure
not to
you
die.
Go crazy. Yeah,
There's a
Jeremy.
laser.
Die. If you die, you're the.
Oh, I'm supposed to bring it back.
Like, stay
Yeah.
where the plane is.
Failing tank.
Someone fell off.
Idiot. Aren't you nice to me?
W Ver 2017 goes crazy. Holy gravity, crappy chapa cheese.
I forgot. That's Pilot Clark.
Clark.
He will be our pilot
I'm
through this mission.
You instinct guy. New York, who's your?
I'm just a chill guy.
System is ready, General. Bro, the pilots are chill guys.
Yeah, they're just chill guys.
Please start the engine, pilot. Starting the engine. If they don't say the other guy's name, they don't say the other guy's name.
Go.
What?
He's opening the door.
Get under it. Oh no!
No, yo,
Imagine, no! Jump! Try jumping!
I'm jumping.
Jump!
He can't jump.
Get on the plane, Germany!
Bye bye.
I can't.
Oh no.
No, we're gonna have to spend Robux on you! Get on the blade, quickly! What?
You idiot.
Please revive me, please.
I can't!
What do you mean?
Oh no.
Obviously, you can revive Jeremy 3 times, but not me at least once. Damn, that's bad.
Your body's on the floor.
You're broke as
I spent. My Robux was at 800. Now it's at 600 because of you guys.
I think Margin died.
Alright.
Okay.
So let's wait for him for now.
Look, it's Germany. Look, Ronald. In the
Up in the
window.
window. In the window. On top. Look up. On the window.
Oh my god, it's Ronald. It's Dono. It's Dono Bumpo. Okay, so I'm gonna tell my friend when he comes the rules that we got in these videos.
Jimmy, demonstrate why you stop.
Bro, why Germany is with his skin. Freddy Fazbear!
Freddy Fazbear. Freddy Fazbear.
Ready. Yuji Todori. Sukuna.
Har. Freddy Fazbear.
We got the horror. Is that? Horror Freddy Fazbear.
Why is Freddy so small, bro?
Imagine, where's your friend?
He's coming right now. Jeremy, can you talk a little bit?
Oh, the guy that's a big freaking
Chicken nugget.
That guy over there.
Who's your friend?
Right here. He's here.
What's his
I
username?
was explaining him the rules about he needs to call me Imagine, blah 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 blah.
It's happening.
Okay, but what's his username?
He's gonna He's gonna join to me. Calm down, buddy.
Tell what's the username?
He's gonna join to me, you fool.
Oh my.
He have a username.
What's it called though?
Your username.
I gonna just look for pain.
He's pain. Literally pain.
Damn it, the kid. This is Trey. Kids, the background.
Pain.
Where's pain?
I'm waiting.
I'm looking for pain.
His name is Payne.
Pain.
The tallest one.
Or Payne 2013 40.
Bro really call me mid. Bro really call us midgets.
Oh, which one are we going? Which one are we going?
So there's one.
This one. I'm the one recording.
Yeah.
I'm super
So
funny.
remember, know the rules.
No
And-
swear
and-
word.
And that one, the one who talked to say chicken nugget is Germany. Germany, yeah. No,
This
you
is
call
our
me
third
Magic.
time playing this. Well, we haven't
Your
beat
German.
fifth time, goddamn.
Germany, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, call him Freaky Bob. I don't give a.
I love
So-
Freaky Bob.
The first time we played it, everyone died from falling out into the
German.
void. And second time, we were
I got kicked out.
Magic was crushed by the airplane door.
Charge it.
Don't make me remember that, you stupid Nick.
Germany.
German, I swear, if you don't sit down, I will kick your ass.
Okay, there, I sit down.
Yeah, okay, thank you, German. Thank you, German.
Germany, read
The
the
capybara's
dialogue.
head.
The capybara said, that's crazy.
Germany, read.
What?
Read.
You read it.
You
Now,
read.
please, take a seat.
My friend read better than you.
Okay, then let your friend read.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Bro's cooked. Bro really say I'm cooked.
Now please take a seat. Done.
Now please take a seat. Done.
I am good.
Okay, I'm just little Ollie right here. Okay, guys. So, what we're gonna do?
Send this creepy Bob off the plane.
Throw Freaky Bob off the plane goes crazy.
What I do?
You're freaky.
Yeah.
Buddy, Freaky Bob, why we're exactly the same way?
Okay, so Germany,
Yeah.
make sure you do not fall into the void again.
Okay, let's go. Wrong song.
Buddy.
Okay, worst think of it.
Oh my.
Buddy.
I think Margin died.
Okay, worst think.
No, I didn't. I didn't say that shit.
Should I revive him? That's a tough choice.
Yeah.
Please, if you revive me, you don't owe me the 25 Roblox that you're wasting for me.
Fine. This is the one time.
Yeah, only one time.
Shit, can you revive me?
No.
We can't
I'll pay
anymore. We can't anymore.
No ghost crazy.
You, like, last time you...
Yeah.
Oh,
Revive.
mother-
Oh my god, Germany!
Revive.
I'm sorry, Brian. I'm sorry, Brian. I'm sorry.
You can revive anybody, but you can revive yourself.
He
Yeah.
can revive Germany. Okay, that's right.
I'm sorry,
Germany,
Brian.
please
Huh?
do not. I am.
Buddy, German, you died the last time like 5 times. You were the one who waits.
I like how you got crushed by the airplane door, Josue.
I spent like 145 Robux on you. Germany, stay there. Do not move. Do
35
not
on
move.
me. I just died once in
Where
that
am I?
Computer.
Can you not move?
I can't. I don't know where I am.
Yeah, we're like the.
Computer,
Try moving. Try moving.
Computer.
Get your ass.
Computer.
Where am I?
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Is your screen black?
No, I'm like literally
I
at
got
the place
blue,
where
I
I'm
got
literally at the
blue.
place where I died.
I got the green.
I got blue. Always fast.
Go back to the place.
Wait, you
and
can't
then
move your
you-
camera?
Fast.
I can't even see where I'm going, bro.
Web.
Yeah.
Jeremy, you
We're
have to
done.
be actually kidding
Go.
me.
Oxygen most of the.
Imagine that most of the world.
Imagine dragging these nuts did most of the work.
Imagine if there's nuts. I don't know what we'll say, buddy. Buddy.
Imagine dragging these nuts.
All right, buddy. All right. He's more brain
I
rot than
literally
me.
just got these Robux. And I spent like almost
Thank
300 on you guys.
Thank-
How much Robux do you get?
Like 1,000? Now I'm at 430 because of you guys.
Don't go big. Don't go in right there, bro.
Shit! Stop it! I wanna eat! Tell them to eat later! I'll eat hot dog! Alright? Tell them I'll eat later! The game's more fun.
Wait.
Hey. Are you ready for this?
I actually don't know. I don't know where I'm at. I'm just like at the place where I died.
Germany, don't die this time.
I'm not even there with you guys, bro.
Jeremy, you have to be actually kidding me. You have to be freaking kidding me.
I'm back. I'm at the
Where's everybody else at? All of
I see. Okay, I can.
You can see now?
Where's everybody?
No, I can see my body. It's just that.
Oh my!
Well, the only thing I saw was my. I can only see my body at the entrance. My camera's at a different place.
Jeremy, I mean,
I can see perfectly.
good. Hurry, hurry! Oh my
Oh my
freaking god!
Okay, I'm returning back to the lobby. Bye bye.
Lobby, 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 lobby.
Lobby.
Freaking lobby! Oh my god! Whoa!
Knuckle? Wait, who joined?
Whoa.
Oh my god! Oh my god! So let's go!
Wait, what?
Tails, where is
It's the
Tails?
monkey! The monkey!
Where's Tails? Where's Tails?
Where's? Wait, not in. We're not in. Not in. Not in. Leave. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Get out, I'm talking with Knuckles.
It's Knuckles, Sonic, and Supersonic.
Yo, Knuckles and Sonic.
What's going on? We going in!
Okay, come on, let's go. Let's follow. Follow me. Get in. Sonic joined.
Come on!
Sonic. Yo, we got everyone.
Oh my god, that's so crazy.
What's the woman here, bro?
Why there is a woman here?
No way! This is the best server we ever joined.
Wait,
Holy shit!
It's
We got
Knuckles.
Sonic.
We got Sonic, Knuckles, Classic Sonic. Oh my god!
Okay,
That's
today we're
crazy.
talking about brainwashed kids.
Oh my god! That's just crazy.
Where is Germany? Oh,
No my! I was about to think he wasn't here.
if he wasn't, I'd beat his ass.
You are ugly shit.
Guys, we cannot.
literally beat his ass.
Knuckles is too short.
Must have no sense.
Hi Knuckles, I Supersonic. Hi, you were what? Girl party. I'm taller. Hell there.
bro, and Nestor's on his Chromebook.
What?
How the fuck you know that he's in his Chromebook?
Bro, sending us messages in Discord, bro.
Wait, what? He's on his Chromebook?
Yes, he has. I think he has Discord on his Chromebook.
Dude, how?
Cause remember he got grounded.
How is he using his
That's
Chromebook to go on Discord?
Now please take a seat. I want Discord now. Give me Discord. Give me Discord and I can join you guys' calls. I can join you whenever I want.
Why you wanna call? Why you wanna do that?
I'll fucking call
This
you when you
mission's
don't
easy.
when you don't touch my
Yo.
shit.
It's Knuckles and
Oh wait,
Brian.
wait. Oh, I was AFK. I was AFK. I was AFK.
Mom, Dad, do that thing. Hit that lick. Can you afford to blow this hit? Are you that rich? Why you scared of that? Are you that bitch? Do you really think she gets a fucking if you had kids?
another Goofy.
You're the goofy. nigga.
Everybody was super Sonic Racing.
Now I'm the
Everybody
goofy.
super Sonic Racing.
No.
I think your friend fell down.
You
What?
better jump or I'll go up there.
Hey, here, food. You can't.
I'll Robux.
Who will spend Robux if you don't? If you're poor as.
No, I'm not.
Live and
I just got
learn.
1,000 from my phone.
Real boy.
My phone just got me 1,000.
Okay, bye.
So what are you talking about?
You're broke as.
Down, get down.
I need my allowance. Shit,
No, no,
there's
no.
other people.
No, no.
Shit, I'm gonna get green. Green's classic.
I'm getting.
Dude.
I'm getting green.
Of course the women are going
Germany? Germany.
For Yo,
Do not die on this part. You always die on this part.
Whoa.
I'm not.
Whoa.
Germany, I want you to
which
stay.
women would
I want you to
Ow,
stay near the
whoa.
airplane and do nothing, okay?
Whoa.
I'll destroy your
you want
phone
me to fall off? Okay.
for the second time.
Imagine you're gonna die, bro. You're gonna fuck.
I will not.
You're gonna die.
I'm good.
Do not die, please, please. I beg of you.
I
Hey,
think Mr. Ducky's gonna fall.
I will not. Knuckles with the dresses. Nice.
What is that? What is that, dude? Look at their dresses.
What the?
Knuckles,
That's so
Knuckles with the
cool.
dress goes wild.
That's crazy.
Germany, please don't
Super.
die, buddy.
Oh, sorry, you're gonna die right there. You're gonna die right there.
Hustle.
Oh, sorry.
They want me to get
That's
yellow. They want me to get a
Yellow?
yellow suit.
Oh, sorry, you're probably gonna die, bro.
Yeah. Look at me, I'm Michael Jackson.
That's crazy. Woke up like I always feel like somebody's watching me. Doing no work.
Germany?
For a second, I thought that was Germany. No,
Knuckles!
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 Knuckles, die, nigga.
We lost.
Knuckles!
We already lost the legend. And even though we
Did you
just
revive
fucking
Knuckles?
started.
Did you revive Knuckles?
No, it's too late!
He left?
Yes!
No!
Poor
Fuck that, do that
Knuckles.
thing. That thing. Oh,
This
bloody
is the
shit.
saddest day ever. Hey, Majin,
I'm
come
gonna
down here.
try to
Come
get the
down,
secret
come down here.
Buddy, are you really saying that this is the most sad day you ever have? Buddy, you yesterday or a few days ago, you literally waste almost 200 Robux. What you mean?
Yeah, but it's Knuckles.
It's just Knuckles.
It's Knuckles, bro.
That's all.
Get a
crazy.
seat, get a seat, guys. Get a seat so you don't freaking die.
Sonic, come here, Sonic.
Sonic. Sit down.
I'm gonna sit on Sonic.
Sonic asks, "Where's Knuckles?"
Poor Nicholas.
Buddy, sit down. Sit down in the
He
middle.
died. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Telling you to sit down in the middle, dumbass.
Why I want to sit next to Sonic?
Of
Bro,
course,
why?
Mr. Beast
This
died.
is the first time that none of us had died.
Good. Knuckles died.
I'm not the last one. No, I'm not. I'm not looking at you, bro. I'm looking at your phone.
Get a banana.
Don't let the bananas.
Sit
Harvey!
The bananas are poisonous!
No, maybe.
Yes, they are! Don't eat that! Don't eat the bananas. The bananas are poisonous. Yes, they are.
I get a banana.
They're poisonous.
Why the banana will be poisoned?
I hate bananas, that's why. And Supersonic's hair look like bananas. My lip, my nail.
Sonic's username is Vegito_base1.
The hell?
Vegeta?
Yeah,
Vegeta, the
yeah.
Let me just do quick something.
let me do your dance again. You're gonna do hee on them bitches?
Banana.
No, I'm not eating a banana.
Everyone already ate
that.
Does it heal you? Brian, does it heal you?
No, it does not.
Are you?
Don't eat the bananas.
Are you good?
Everybody
don't.
was
Oh, don't.
super Sonic race.
Everybody was going to try. Why you didn't tell me?
I'll try to tell you like 10 times.
He told us before.
Oh, try to stay alive. Try to stay alive. Okay, okay, all the bananas to
I'm
me.
just joking. Oh, thank God.
Oh, now I'm eating my banana now. Yeah, I'm gonna eat my banana.
That was not funny, General.
I'm gonna punch you off this plane. If you make another joke, Nick.
You might as well chill or take a nap.
I'm gonna go
I'm
up.
just hi.
There's a reason why there's an airplane 4.
Buddy, when you had to edit 1,000 videos that you record with your friends called Magin and Germany, but you're just a chill guy.
When you have 200 videos to edit, but you're just a chill guy.
I think that's Brian's
I
POV.
think 201 now.
Brian's POV is like that.
I'm scared.
Time to wake
I'm
everyone
scared.
up.
I hold you in hand.
It's
Can I hold
nighttime
this
and it
midget's
looks
hand?
like we're inside of
Can I hold the Bob's hand?
Storm! I'm allergic to storms.
Bruh.
Yeah.
You know, we were struck by
Sonic!
lightning.
Sonic is still here. Sonic is not gonna die.
Our white motor is in critical danger.
We're cooked. We're cooked.
Oh, nah,
We're
bro.
cooked.
Not gonna lie, bro.
Does that
We're
mean we
cooked.
will die?
What does that mean? We all die. We will die.
Oh, on blood.
Nah,
we
we're-
On blood, we finna
Nah.
die.
That's crazy.
Not gonna lie, bro.
We are everyone to cover me out there.
Oh, I didn't know.
We got to commit suicide, bro.
So we're gonna be outside. Okay, we're
We're good. We're good. Someone's gonna fall off the plane.
Bro,
It doesn't even matter.
this is so scary.
Doing so nuts.
it?
the storm is getting worse.
Jeez, I swear to God, if you go on the edge, I'm pushing you off. Okay. Sorry, bro. Then stand one way.
Margin.
Oh,
I good, Nick.
You don't put it off! No, but like, don't put it off. What would you do,
The
Santa?
general died. The general's dead, bro. He's on the
cover
floor.
me. Do not.
Oh,
Where the red is, do not go in. Do not go in the red. Do not go in the red and do not fall
go
off.
in the middle. Go in the middle. It helps you.
No, it does not. Get out. Get out. Get out.
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
What the red means?
It means it's gonna hit you, so you don't get hit by the red. If you're in the red, get out of there.
Mom is doing my little dancey dance in the corner. I'm chill.
I'm just a chill guy.
When you're on top of an
Bro, I'm
airplane
fucking
getting
funny.
hit by lightning, but you're just a chill guy.
Chaz.
Salute!
Stop saluting.
Oh, God.
Let me do a salute real quick.
No, you're gonna get hit by lightning. Get out of there.
Let me do a salute.
8 seconds.
Hey,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2.
2, 1. The motor is fixed now.
I did it. I did it.
Margin, you need to get yourself healed.
What is
Nah,
it now?
I'm good.
I've never seen such a strong storm.
Me neither.
I was seeing such a strong storm. There's a
Look
the
behind
tornado.
you.
Guys, look,
What's
do you see
that?
that? Do you see that?
What happened?
The skeleton! In front of the plane!
Where?
In front of the plane!
Oh shit.
Burn.
Fire!
Oh,
Quickly!
Fire.
Inside! 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 Inside!
where's inside? Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh, let's go outside.
The woman's still outside.
There's still... There's still someone inside!
Girl.
Is there in
No,
his
the girl's
cave?
right here.
The skeleton?
We got all the girls.
I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you're talking about.
Get compared to me.
The giant
Besides,
skeleton!
I'm a good joke.
We didn't
But
see the
many done
skeleton.
some music.
Because my head is small.
Never mind. Let's keep moving.
Oh, we're so high, bro. We're so high. Even the pilots didn't even see the skeleton.
Oh, look at your hair first.
Okay.
No, wait,
my
what if the
hair-
pilots are high? And they don't see anything?
And literally,
How big your screen?
Shit. I don't know
General,
what
we're
that
finally
is,
here.
Da, 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 da,
Perfect.
da,
Everyone,
da,
just pay close
da,
attention.
da,
You guys, hold your teddy
da,
bear.
da, 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 da.
Give the teddy bear to a girl, I think.
Yeah, at the end. We need to get everyone out safely before we go after Ronald. Once we are in there, we have to choose. We have one chance. Good luck, soldiers.
Is that good? Is that gonna help us? Or is that gonna kill us? I guess.
Maybe kill us. Oh my god!
Here, we're on the plane. We're on the plane. We need to find something in here. This is it.
That's
We are in the plane. The plane has been hijacked.
I gotta get.
Looks like Ronald covered
I
the
like
door.
my cheese. That's my cheese. I'm
I
getting
like
the
my
cheese.
yellow.
I
like my
want
cheese
to do
jerky,
this
bro.
to my whole life.
Come on, buddy.
Oh no. We better hurry.
Then let us go to the door, huh?
Check the storage. See if you can find anything to open this door. Crowbar,
Man.
crowbar.
My cheese.
Great, you found a hammer. That will work.
What about the paint bus? Is that work? Let me help open it.
So Sigma.
Ronald.
It's Ronald.
Ass here!
It's over, Ronald.
Ronald, get your ass here!
How did you get here?
How do you go here? I'm no plane.
Get your
I don't know
ass
if
here!
plane goes crazy.
Let us go through so we can get in. There's no
brother.
time to go after him.
Okay, bet. Come on, let's go the other way.
We need to save everyone on the plane first. Untie everyone before our time runs out.
I don't know. I don't want to find anybody. Womp womp.
If you don't, we're gonna
Take
die.
it.
Oof.
Oh, no, me too.
General,
We did it.
I inform you all the noobs are now safe in the aircraft.
I did it.
Great. Who's gonna save
General.
us? Who's gonna save us?
Me.
I'm gonna save you.
Sonic ain't gonna save me.
But there's one left. The captain.
No.
Where's Sonic? Let Sonic drive.
He's right
Sonic
here.
Sonic is a good driver, bro.
No, I'm
Sonic's
a
such
good driver. I'm a good driver too.
What?
He took off my gloves. He took off his gloves. This is it. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald.
Military outfit took them
He
off.
wants to be the hero.
Let me talk.
I wanna be the hero.
No, let me be the hero.
Bruh. Who's Rem's car? Alright.
You will.
We trust you, Rem's car. 25.
What rest?
Ronald, open the door.
Just
I got you, boy.
We can
Bitch,
work
you
this
can
out.
I don't think he wants to work it out.
I know. Ronald! How did you get here?
Same way.
Ronald! Let the captain go. You don't understand
You don't
anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this.
I deserve this.
Listen to what I'm going to say.
This one.
What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me.
Everyone made fun
I'm
of me.
reading. When I had problems, there was no one there.
There.
Come on, buddy.
All I ever wanted was a friend.
Is a friend.
Bro,
I don't want to be your friend.
I'm
No,
little,
bro,
bro.
I don't want to be.
Won't
No, don't be
little,
friends
bro.
with him.
Ronald, you don't have
Ronald.
to do this. We can be your friends. Walk, little bro.
Oh.
Friends.
Friends?
Rob, little bro.
Would you really do that for me?
Buddy, run, I ain't want to be his friend. I'd rather
Yes.
die.
We will be your friends
No, I'm good.
because you're a good person.
Now I'm good, bro. Now I'm good, goes crazy.
if you can save me.
I don't know if you can
Taking
save me.
this
I've taken
far.
things too far. It's never too late to do things right. It's never too late
my
to do
God.
things right, Ronald. Let's get out of here. Okay,
Well,
I will become a
I
good
will
person.
become a good person.
Come on, Ronald.
That.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
One, buddy.
I think Bud had a heart attack.
With a shotgun.
Bro, die.
Wait, he's the monster. He's the monster in Airplane 1 and 2. Remember in the second one it said it, he died of a heart attack, remember?
Oh yeah.
That's the cheese in the fucking
General,
General.
the captain room is burning.
Get the cheese from the back.
There is no time. The plane is about to explode. Kaboom.
Where do we go?
Take this parachute.
Where do we go?
Ronald is ringing. Ronald is really bringing the boom.
Where's the parachutes?
Over here, where Ronald was. No, where the general was. We won't leave you here.
We won't leave you here.
I will save Ronald and the captain.
What?
Little bro sacrificing
Bro
himself.
is dead.
There's no time. Just go. It was a pleasure working with you.
It wasn't a pleasure working with you, buddy.
He's freaking dying. The
Go
back
to
emergency
Teddy!
door is open. We need to get there fast and jump. Not through the fire! Not through the fire! Not through the fire! Not through the fire! Where there isn't fire. Jump! 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 Revive! 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 Revive!
One. Grab it.
Revive me, please.
I did! I did! I did! Are you alive?
No!
What?
I got no though.
Are you serious?
I think he's about to die again.
I just
Buddy!
revived him for no reason.
Almost dead. I'm so
Need to go. One, buddy. Give me the teddy bear.
You can't.
Give me that shit.
You can't. You need to have it by yourself.
I didn't get it.
Are you alive?
Since I died. Fuck you.
Bro. Wait, are you downstairs? Are you down there? Yeah, you're down there.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm built different.
Because
bro,
it's
bro's
built
different.
different.
I jumped off the airplane. And I
Where's the little girl? Where's the little girl?
little girl right here next
Where?
to me. Right here, I think. I think the midget's over here.
I think a midget's over here goes crazy.
Where's the little girl?
Obviously, we keep the teddy bears. And we leave the
She's
little
here, she's
girl.
here. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
How did you?
I did.
How
Thanks
did
for
you
saving my
make
life.
We saw the plane burn.
Get the teddy bear, little girl.
Thanks for saving my
Or do we
life.
give it to the dad? General Pancho gave me his life to save everyone on that plane.
Bro, where's the little girl?
She's over here, over here. Right here. He's a
The
hero,
major's
and
always
so are you. Thank you for your service, soldiers.
Hey, a bear.
I know General Pancho is proud, wherever he is.
Yo!
That's crazy.
Little bro is not alive.
Little bro.
Thanks.
Victory, victory!
One revive. Wesley, I thought you didn't die.
Once.